Alright guys, here's an update to the water drain, water level monitor project that we've been working on. So before we had a much messier situation, a lot of wires and things everywhere, a little bit of tape here and there. So now what we have here is a bit more finished, a lot more neat, a lot more safe. So we 3D printed a case for the project, as you can see here. It's the bottom part of the case. Each piece has its own little compartment, one for the nano, one for the relay, one for the two power adapters. We got a top here. Like we said before, we designed some slits in the top, give it a bit of ventilation just in case we have any heat coming off of our components here. Went to a CVS, purchased an extension cord that we have modified. This is going to provide a power source that's going to be plugged directly into any wall outlet, and we have our two power adapters here, are both connected to the splice wires coming from the extension cord. And the pump that we had, the distance sensor that we had, kind of had some wires hanging out here and there on this. Now we've dressed it up, made it a lot more neat. Got some hot glue so that it stays put. And for the people that drive trucks, this will look familiar. This is actually the wire that they use for the trailers. And we got some heat shrink at all our connections. Keep our wires separated, make sure nothing doesn't touch and short out. And we have heat shrink at all our connecting points here. Everything spliced together nice and neat. This guy slipped out of here, just put him back in there. So yeah, everything is tested, everything is looking pretty good. I'm gonna get some devices and kind of go over everything, make sure that we don't have any heat or any wires touching anywhere they shouldn't be. But so far it's looking pretty good. And all of the wires that you see here are all gonna tuck inside after we put the top of the container on. So there we go.